Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to our Motovation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. This is my first experience with the brand and installing a seat cover on any one of my bikes. Let's just say that I am more than impressed with the quality. It goes from 0 to 100 real quick, man, based on what you're looking for with it. Whether you're looking for comfort, you're looking for styling, or you're looking for diamond stitch pattern, which is what I got here. I am super excited for this. Today we're gonna unbox and install the Luimoto Diamond Grezzo passenger and rider seat cover and throw them on. It's gonna add some personality and functionality to the bike. So you guys know I'm not a huge fan of the passenger rear seat of the Ducati Street Fighter V4S, the 2020 model. The only place for you to grab your Luimoto seat cover and passenger cover is gonna be at Motovation USA. This is what you're gonna be greeted with when you open up your packaging. It's very well put together before you receive it. Look at that. You can see there's a lot of detail on the box. They take a lot of care to make sure that you get something that's quality. Right when we rotate to the top, you're gonna see the model, your motorcycle model for the rider and passenger seat. It tells you both components are gonna be on the inside. And for you to open this, let's take a look at the back right before we go any further. The back's gonna, of course, promote the Luimoto site so you can check it out, Instagram, Facebook, you know, the general stuff. But if you want to get everything all into one, hit up the site Motovation USA, the only place to grab all that stuff. For you to open your Luimoto packaging, it's something that's very sleek. I guess I could say very Apple-esque, or maybe Sony opening up some headphones. You have some design cues like that on there. You're just gonna slide open the box. Once you separate the top part of the packaging, you're gonna be left with the second half. You'll see somewhat of a tubing, again, a second packaging, making sure what you're getting is very well put together. Now we're gonna pull the actual seat cover out so I can go further into it. So this is what you're greeted with. Oh, look at that. I did not expect that. Shout out to the gang at motivationusa.com. Clutch first written on the seat cover. Really, really dope, very exciting. Let's crack this open, man. Oh, that's so dope. Look at that. Your own branding can be placed on these seat covers when you order them from motivationusa.com. You can do your own branding, logo, whatever you'd like. It's something that's highly customizable. I did not expect to actually have the logo in there, and experiencing this for the very first time with you. Really impressive. Let's unroll it. Really nice quality, man. Oh, look at that. Holy sh! All right, I won't say. Whoa! Holy crap, dude! I gotta stop for a hot second. I did not see that coming. How dope is this? That's so wicked. All right, let's keep going. We gotta keep opening this, guys. Really, really dope. And again, this is a huge deal, guys. So, all right. I had to kind of stop for a little bit. I got way too excited and in some of the customization you can get on the seating. I'm sure you guys will be just as stoked when you get yours done and when you order it. Super worth it. Really, really dope. This is a synthetic suede material. It's diamond stitched. On the side panels, you're gonna see a vinyl material that's very much like carbon fiber, or looks like it. It's a very sleek looking one. You have some perforation on there as well. And also you're gonna get a nice texture for grip when cornering or when you're accelerating or braking. That way you don't slide back and forth on the seat. Again, this quality, it's like no other, guys. If you notice another thing about most seats, they tend to be very hard, very harsh for long rides. This one has a bit of a padding on the inside. That way you get an additional piece of cushion, and you could even see that premium stitching from the inside. It's truly impressive. I've never actually installed one of these before. You could refer to the other Luimoto seat installation we've done, and check it out. I actually learned from it myself. I've actually drew more than enough on just the seat cover. Really, really dope, man. Earlier in the video, I mentioned how I was not a huge fan of the 2020 Ducati Street Fighter V4S passenger seat. It's very bulbous to me. I feel like the design feels a little detached, and I was looking forward to removing the passenger seat, but now it's looking like your boy is gonna keep it. This alone is cool enough. So whether you have, you know, a different branding, or you have a business, or you have something that you want to promote subtly on your bike while you're out on the road, you can actually get it customized. And if you could see the detail here, guys, this is a very detailed logo, and you can see all the stitching of it. It's really amazing. So you have the diamond stitch synthetic suede, the premium vinyl that has cues of carbon fiber. It is sheer quality. Even your passenger is gonna get additional padding to give you comfortability for long rides. And then you could see the stitching here. Here's a quick little preview of the passenger seat, just so you can see how the cover fits. I just loosely place it on there. That elastication that you see at the very bottom is just to keep it nice and tucked. You still have to staple the actual seat cover on, and again, it feels even more plush than before. The diamond stitching looks amazing. You can see the Italian flag here. You can do your own branding, your own logo. One good tip when you are installing this on your motorcycle seat, you want to massage the vinyl into shape, that way you don't have any creases. I'm actually using that tip for my own personal, so definitely check out that original video and come back to this video and check it out how it looks. So let's flip the seat over. All right, this is what the OEM looks like. On there you can see the stitching, and you can see that elastication there as well. You still have to follow the tracks here and staple it down. You have to work the material, and you can see the vinyl finish. The vinyl looks really great. It's like looks very much like carbon fiber, and the stitching is really beautiful, red stitching there. And again, I have to go back to the branding or any logo you want to put on there. For something that's this intricate, they managed to capture every single detail on there. Really dope, guys. Very excited. Can't wait to get this on and fully stretch it and let it sit. Another great tip that you can use when you're installing your own Luimoto seat, if you feel like you're having a difficult time putting it on or making it fit nice and smooth, you can let it sit in the sun for a little bit, maybe 20 to 30 minutes in the sun, let it loosen up, and then you'll be able to stretch it properly without having to put any strength on the stitching to pull. So you should be able to do this just by massaging it. All right, let's get it on there. Super exciting. This is going to change the bike for the better. And now I can confidently say I'm all right with the back passenger seat. This is easily one of the coolest unboxing that I've done, only because it's something I've never seen before, I've never done, never experienced. I would highly recommend it as a gift to a friend, or to add personality to your bike, or whether you're looking for comfort, because it does give you added padding, whether you want to tie in your colorway of your bike into the actual seat with the stitching. I mean, the options are endless, man. Totally recommend this. The only place to shop for it is motivationusa.com. Again, really dope stuff. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and World Ride Racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.